Hey, it's Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Today I'm showing you the easiest, best way to hard boil your eggs. And if you watch the end, I'll show you how to peel them too. To get started, we will put the eggs in a pan and cover it with about 1 inch of cold water. You might be surprised to know that fresh eggs are actually harder to peel than older eggs. So if you have some eggs that have been in the fridge for about a week, that will be perfect. Bring the water to a boil and you can give it a couple stirs gently as it starts to come to a boil. Okay, here's the important part. As soon as the water comes to a boil, turn it off, remove it from the heat, and cover your pot. Okay, it's all downhill from here. All you have to do is set a timer for 15 minutes. Okay, Google, set timer for 15 minutes. All right, while we're waiting, I'm gonna prepare an ice bath for the eggs. That's just a big bowl filled with ice and water. All right, the eggs are done. I will remove them to the ice bath using a slotted spoon. Just go ahead and throw them right into the cold water. Let them sit in the cold water for 15 minutes. After that, they'll be ready to peel. All right, the eggs are done. Now I'm gonna show you our favorite way to peel them. So take an egg and find the larger end. That is the end that will usually have the air bubble, which will make it easier to peel. So tap that right onto your countertop gently, and then use that to start peeling. Simple as that, the perfect boiled egg. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to head over to acouplecooks.com for all of our recipes and tips. See you next time.